Nicole, your creativity and juicy life coach, and I'm just playing a little bit on the black keys this morning. That makes me feel good. I'm sitting in my piano room this morning and it's making the light shining on me at this time of day and it feels good. And I'm putting on this beautiful playful scarf, and that also helps me embody the fun, the joy, the passion that I love to feel. So what I'm here though today to tell you is I'm working on this creativity wheel, and it's a tool that I want to teach you how to use so that you can embody more of this fun, this joy, this passion, the creativity, you name it, whatever it is that you want to feel more of when you get stuck. And I know us creatives get stuck several times. You can turn to this wheel because I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. When you join us in the training later this week, you're going to learn the significance of the hub and how turning to what the hub of creativity is. You're going to be able to know how to use that, and then I'm going to teach you the significance of the spokes, because I have special tools that you can use and that are signified and symbolized by the spokes. And then there's the tread, that just is able to help you move forward, and the wheel gets to move forward because of the tread. I'm going to teach you what the significance as a creative is in turning to the tread and knowing what that means and how that moves you forward. And so all these tricks and tools and this creativity wheel in general is going to help you move forward, and you're going to learn the significance of that if you decide to show up. So all you have to do is sign up, click the click here button, and by clicking there you're going to be able to get the information about the training this coming week. You're going to get the worksheet and anything having to do with replays. So I'm also tend to give out free things too, so if you sign up you'll be part of that raffle as well. So click here where it says click here and you'll get all that information. I can't wait to empower you with this creativity wheel. I've been working on it for the last couple of weeks, and I know you're going to get a ton out of it to move you forward. Get it? It's the wheel that moves you forward. See you there. Bye-bye.